Hi, I'm Alexis.
And I'm Hannah.
We're with the AC & Co team, and we're going to take you through 560 State Street, 9B. You enter through an unassuming door on State Street to a private, landscaped courtyard.
Here you'll find a hidden complex of pre-war townhomes.
This 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath duplex sits inside Residence 9 and offers 1,030 square feet of southern lit space with CitiQuiet soundproofed windows.
The main floor features an open kitchen with center island, new stove, granite countertops, built-in workspace, and powder room.
A skylit staircase leads you to 2 spacious bedrooms, a full bath with soaking tub, and brand new vented LG stackable washer dryer.
Building amenities include a Butterfly MX entry system, secure package area, bike room, and private storage.
Atlantic Terminal's 12 subway lines, Fort Greene Park, and Whole Foods are all within walking distance.
9B offers well-designed living with history at one of Brooklyn's most coveted addresses. Please reach out for a private tour.